How's it going, tubers? It's me, AMR. Welcome to an unboxing video. In this video, I'm unboxing a watch which is inside here. This watch looks very unique. I wanted a watch to wear at work, and it's cool. I mean, after looking at other people's reviews, it does look a tiny bit big. So let's see how it goes. How's this gonna come out? This packaging is pretty tight. Damn, they taped it. I was expecting it to be in a gift box, but you know, I think they saved the posting. Bubble wrap is off. Nothing else is in the package. The watch is here. That's how it's like when it's packed. Holy moly, it looks big. Actually, it doesn't look as big as it looks in the video. Because I mean, I can see at the camera right now, it looks huge. Let me just quickly take this off, man. There we have it. It's off. First of all, first thing first, instruction manual. You guys love looking at the instruction manual. So the instruction manual is here. Let me quickly open it. So those of you who can read Japanese, feel free to read Japanese. There you go. Camera's focusing beautifully today. That's Japanese, and I believe on the other side is English. So yeah, cool. It's got chronograph functions. To be honest, I don't know why I'm saying cool. I don't even know what the hell that means. Right, that's cool. The watch itself is here, boys. What you've been waiting for. Here is the watch, and that's the strap of the watch. It's a rubber material, so it's cool. It's cool. I like these circle thingamajigs. And you get, this is the name of the watch. I can't even pronounce it, to be honest. Skmei army watch is what it's called. So close up. Right, camera, show me your epic focusing abilities. Right, it's got a glass in front of it, so it's it won't focus as much. Right, I'm gonna wear this on my wrist, and I'm gonna finally take it off. I love doing 100 unboxing videos, so I'm gonna take it off, and I'll give you a quick view. Here's the watch on my wrist, guys. You know, on the video it looks huge, but it's not that big. Well, it is slightly bigger, but you know what? Let's say it's the smartwatch size, right? Smartwatch size. This is what it looks like on the wrist. It looks pretty cool. I mean, if you like big watches, then it's for you. But if you don't like big watches, right, then I suggest you avoid it, because it is slightly on the big side, like smartwatch size. So yeah, it's cool, man. It's cool. I'm gonna wear this for my workplace because I work in a warehouse, and it's pretty big, and you know, it's not gonna get damaged and everything, and it's pretty unique. It has basically start, reset. It's got a timer. What's on that side? Come on, dude. Some, you know, my camera is too close to this watch. It's not focusing. Plus, I got really bad lighting, dude. Come on. There we have it. Focusing finally. And yeah, it does everything what a watch can. It's also got the light. I can never show you the light in this mode. Anyways, thank you for watching, guys. That was the watch unboxing for you. And please don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and peace out.